How to optimize Diablo Immortal for low-end device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If your Diablo Immortal feels slow, laggy, or keeps stuttering on your device, then you don't need a high-end device, just a few smart settings that can make a big difference. First things first, launch open your Diablo Immortal game on your device, and once you're inside, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button. Now click on the gear icon at the top right, and once you are inside this settings menu, click on graphics. Inside graphics, go ahead and scroll down and select the 30 option right next to frame rate. Right next to resolution, keep it to medium, and right next to image sharpening, make sure that this is turned off. Under graphic settings, tap on the custom drop down and select the quality selection. You can select between low or medium if you have a weak device or low-end device. Right next to visual effects, set it to low or medium, and similarly, click on low to medium under shadows as well. Now once you do that, keep your environmental details to low as well. Turn off the bloom effect, enhanced reflections, ray tracing, just turn all of these off. And right after you do that, you'll be able to see this device load section. It means that the game loading my device is low right now because of these settings. Now, after you have these settings turned on, the next thing you want to do is to close any background running apps, which will free up more RAM for smoother gameplay. So right after you do that, you'll be able to make your Diablo Immortal game run smoother even on low-end phones or devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.